In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you the process of adding a quiz in Wix, a popular web development platform. This can be done essentially in two ways, and we will look at both of these approaches. The first way employs the use of the Wix Forms app, while the second makes use of quiz-building platforms like Elfsight or Interact. Let's begin with the first method, which is using the Wix Forms app. Begin by initiating your Wix editor. Within the editor, look for the Add button and select it. A list of options will pop up, and from that list, you're going to choose Contact and Forms. Following this, locate and drag the Wix Forms app onto your web page. Now, let's move on to the customization part. Simply click on the form that you added. This action will open the settings for the form. In those settings, go to Manage Fields. In this section, you can add various types of fields such as multiple choice, short answer, drop-down fields, and so on to design your quiz questions. After the fields are set, we now need to tweak our form settings. To do this, click on the gear icon, which is for Form Settings. Here you can adjust the text on the Submit button, compose confirmation messages the user will see after completing the quiz, and decide what will occur after a user submits the quiz. Before you publish your quiz, verify it by using the Preview mode to test run it. Once you are convinced that everything is in order with your quiz, then go ahead and click on Publish. Now, on to the second method for adding a quiz in Wix. The second method is primarily for those who prefer to create their quizzes on an external platform before embedding it on their Wix website. If that's your preference, you would need to create your quiz on a platform like Elfsight or Interact. When the quiz is finalized on that platform, you would need to find the option marked Share or Embed. Within this option, you can find the HTML or JavaScript code for your quiz. Make sure to copy this code for the next step. Afterward, switch back to your Wix editor. Again, discover and click on the Add button. Another list of options will appear, among which is Embed Code. Following Embed Code is Embed HTML. Click on it and paste your copied code into the space provided for it, and hit the Apply button. It is advisable to adjust the size of the embedded widget to fit the web page for the best appearance across all devices. To do that, simply stretch the embedded widget to match the page width and height. So there you have it, two approaches to adding a quiz to your Wix website. Make sure to choose the one that best suits your needs. And remember, practice makes perfect. Keep trying, and you'll master it sooner than you think.